You might remember last month when I made a video unboxing the free gear Samsung sent over to me. They loved the video so much they've just gone and sent me a new box of swag. Let's go and have a look. First up we have a Samsung coffee cup, and I can only assume they've given me this because you'd be a mug to choose a different mobility vendor, hey? Next we have what appears to be a notepad and a pen, but knowing Samsung, this is a new fancy gadget. There's probably a stylus and some cool new technology. It can be a tablet. No, it's just a notebook and pen. Don't know what this is, let's see. I think it's a sandwich box. They've sent me some Bose headphones. Here's a water bottle and some Samsung Skittles. I didn't know that Samsung were in the catering industry. If your company needs any food, drink, or fruit, excluding Apple of course, make sure you get in touch. This is quality. They've sent me a coat. You know what? I think they've kitted me out for the zombie apocalypse. Let's try it on. It's a bit tight, but I guess after I've eaten all that food, I definitely won't fit into it. I'm gonna taste some of these Skittles. I was going to finish this video off by telling you how Total Computer Networks are an authorized Samsung partner, but instead I'm going to combine my favorite two South Korean things.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op, op, op.